Hey, what is going on everybody? And in this video, I'll show you how you can mirror your iPhone, any iPhone by the way, to your Samsung TV. This is completely free by the way. There's no need to download anything on your iPhone. Everything is just built into it. As you can see, it's really smooth. And by the way, I can use tons with this. I can even use my camera. So let me just open up a camera, take a photo, open up that photo, and you can zoom in on a photo and we'll zoom in on your TV. Really awesome. It's just so smooth. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. So let's just dive right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do on your iPhone, really simple by the way, is just make sure your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi. Just make sure your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi or the Wi-Fi or the network that is available to you. So in this case, you can use hotspot as well. So go to your settings page. Now inside the settings page, make sure your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi. In this case, that is my home Wi-Fi, and that is pretty much all you have to do. If you want to use a hotspot, I have a detailed video and a detailed article on my website, so be sure to check that out. But that's pretty much all you have to do on your iPhone at the moment. Okay, so now we have to do the exact same thing that we did on the iPhone. We have to make sure the TV is also connected to that home Wi-Fi. So go to your settings page. Inside the settings, go to your general settings. Really simple. Inside the general settings, go to your network settings. Inside the network settings, go to your open network settings. Really simple, really easy. And once you're into the open network settings, you can select the wireless connection, click OK, and it should automatically scan for all the networks that you have. So in this case, that is my home Wi-Fi, and I'll just click on it, OK, and we are connected. And that's pretty much all you have to do into the networks tab. Now if you go back to the general settings again, if you look down, if you scroll down just a tiny bit, you'll find the AirPlay settings, Apple AirPlay settings. By the way, if you don't have Apple AirPlay settings inside your Samsung TV, don't worry about it, it's completely okay. I have a different video, I'll be linking that up here or in this corner, so be sure to check it out for those who don't have Apple AirPlay into the Samsung TV. Okay, so now what you want to do is just click OK, and it should look exactly like this, exactly like this. And once you're on this screen, you don't have to do anything. Once you're on this screen, you really don't have to do anything. Now what you want to do is take out your iPhone. As you can see, the first thing you want to do is to go into your control center. Inside the control center, you can see that screen mirroring option is right next to the brightness. All you have to do is just click on it, and it should automatically scan for the TV that is running the Apple AirPlay. So in this case, that is my Samsung 8 series. I'll just click on it, and as you can see, we are connected. It took about what, 5 seconds to make sure the iPhone is connected to your TV. It's really amazing how this works, and it's awesome. You can do tons of you can even use your Instagram if you want to. So let's say if I want to scroll or watch a video or something, the audio will be coming from the TV. It's really amazing. I'm just gonna show you. I have to mute this, but this view is just amazing. By the way, check out my Instagram. This is a view from my balcony. It's just great. It looks amazing, by the way, and it's so good. It's amazing how this works. So yeah, it's really awesome. Tons of great features, and the way you disconnect is really simple. If you have the dynamic island, just hold that and it will automatically give you the option to stop mirroring, or you could just go into your control center and click on stop mirroring, and it should automatically stop for you. And by the way, here's a pro tip, and that I did not say in the beginning. Okay, you don't have to enable the AirPlay every single time. So let's just say the TV doesn't have AirPlay enabled at the moment. All you have to do is just swipe down, click screen mirroring, and it should automatically screen mirror your iPhone to your TV for you. Really simple. Click stop, it's gonna stop for you. If you want to do it again, just click on your TV and it's gonna mirror again. If you want to stop, just stop. So yeah, pretty amazing, right? Well, leave a like, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I have a detailed article on my website, so be sure to check that out as well if you need more help. And comment down below, be sure to subscribe if you find this video helpful. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.